guys, thank you for all your love and support to Spices with Sugar. I have planned to start an impromptu weekly series. Impromptu because last night I was prepping up for my breakfast. That's when I thought of sharing this with you guys. So starting this week would be a week for healthy wealthy breakfast recipes. If you like my video, do give it a try and don't forget to tag Spices with Sugar. So let's get started with this week's first recipe, that is chia seed pudding. So here I have taken around 200 ml of coconut milk. To this I am going to add around 1/4 cup of chia seeds. Now you can use any milk that you have. It could be almond milk or any dairy milk that you have with you. So there's this one thing that really fascinates me about chia seeds is that they soak up all the liquid and it will give you a really nice texture for your chia pudding. To this you need to add around a teaspoon of vanilla essence, or you can also add some maple syrup or honey. I personally like to add vanilla. You need to chill this in refrigerator overnight, and next day for your breakfast you can add any of your favorite fruits, nuts, peanut butter, chocolate, any of your favorite toppings. Now the best part is that within 3 simple ingredients you get a very healthy breakfast that will keep you full for a longer time. Now just to add some crunch to my chia pudding, I'm going to make a chicky or a nut bar. For that you need half a cup of jaggery. Now let this jaggery melt completely. So this will just add a nice crunch to your pudding with also adding some sweetness to it. Once the jaggery is melted, add your favorite nuts to it. So here I'm adding some almonds and pistachios. You can add any nuts. You need to spread this mixture of jaggery and nuts on a greased plate or a silicone mat like this and let it cool down completely, and then we will break this down and top it on a chia pudding. So now let's start making our chia pudding. Now this is the mixture of chia seeds that has been soaked overnight, and see, look at the texture, how thick it has become. So to layer up our pudding, the first layer would be of the chia seeds. Then add some freshly chopped mangoes. Now you know there are these amazing properties of chia seeds. It is loaded with antioxidants. Then almost all the carbs in chia seeds are fiber, and it is high in protein, high in omega-3 fatty acids. It also reduces the risk of heart disease, and it can also lower the blood sugar levels. Then the chicky that we made, again some mangoes, some sliced bananas, there you have your pudding ready. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you do try this recipe, do not forget to tag Spices with Sugar. As this is a weekly series, stay tuned for many more recipes coming your way.